Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the error code 4 in GameLoop. For example, I run the game, and when I try to install it, this error shows up. So how can we fix it? To do this, the first thing we need to do is completely close the GameLoop program. If it's still running in the background down here, make sure to close that too. The next step is to search for command or command prompt and run it using Run as Administrator. Just type the command netsh winsock reset here and press enter. You can restart your system once if you want, but it's not necessary in this case. The next thing we need to do is open our browser. You'll need a good VPN. I recommend ExpressVPN. The good thing about it is that it gives you 1 month free, so you can easily try it out. Just launch ExpressVPN. Now we install GameLoop again. As you can see, our issue is easily solved. I'll leave the download links for ExpressVPN and GameLoop in the description so you can easily access them. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any issues, be sure to leave a comment below. Good luck.